And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today's that day, boys. Today is that day. This is the culmination of the last 10 years filming silly YouTube videos. And I don't know how to say this without sounding cliche or cringy. And every YouTuber tries to say this, and there's really no way to fully express my gratitude to you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, for watching these YouTube videos. Today, October 1st, 2022, I'm officially a homeowner and we are moving on in. So today is gonna be a fun day, but honestly, today's gonna be a lot of work. We gotta get all the cars, all the furniture from the warehouse here to the house. I think we have 7 or 8 or 9 cars to get here. We have all the furniture, all the beds, all the couches. We have one couch. So as much fun as it's gonna be a long day. So we already have the Veyron and the Aventador Roadster and the Ram TRX. So the NSX is owned by my buddy Gabe. We're actually gonna take this car to the warehouse right now and we're gonna swap it for one of mine. The NSX is so sick. I didn't drive the car hard whatsoever. I wanted to get here in one piece, which we were successful at. White wheel gang? Absolutely. And let the fun officially begin. We gotta get everything out. And yes, of course, step 1, the old trusty wrench. You guys know that's real. It gets harder. It gets harder every single time to lift up that garage door. I'm getting old. Every time I get in the A12, I love this car so much. This car is so much fun. It's so good. This car is so good. Oh, Ferraris. Oh, goodness. I know Ferrari and I don't get along, but goodness, their cars and I get along. 7 years ago, I bought my Lamborghini Gallardo, and everybody told me I was an absolute idiot for buying a supercar before buying a house. And fast forward to today, you know, I always say, never let the haters fuel your fire, but in this scenario, you know what? Those haters, let's light them up. If you're watching my channel for the very first time, first off, welcome to the channel. The house is not done. Clearly the house is not done. The front yard is full of trash, garbage, and nonsense. I even have a dumpster in my backyard. I first bought this land 3 years ago. We broke ground a year and a half ago. It has been so stressful. If you know anything about me, you know I don't know anything about anything, especially when it comes to houses. I don't know anything about design work. I don't know anything about finish work. I have to give a massive shout out to my builders, James and Craig, because without their insight, without their help, none of this would be possible. None of this would be possible. This is so crazy. This is so insane. Ladies and gentlemen, we've done it. I know I say this all the time, but I'm truly speechless. Look at this. Also, the echo is absolutely atrocious. Hello! Well, I guess you could say 4 down and only 7 more to go. I realized we're gonna have to call in reinforcements because shuttling one car from the warehouse back and forth all day, first off, is gonna take forever, but then also, we really didn't gain a car. We lost the NSX and we gained the 812, so reinforcement. What is going on right now? It would appear we have a parking dilemma at Baby Burlackers. And I've been apologizing to my neighbors. My neighbors have it totally fine. Look at this. Also, Purple Smart looking fresh. This is ridiculous.
I'll tell you what happened. I drove over Oscar's number 2 in my Bronco.
Wait, really?
That's what happened.
Okay,
I guess
emotionally traumatic.
Fault, yeah.
I already know the Gladiator and the Nissan GTR have dead batteries. The Murcielago's been sitting for a very, very long time. Please start up. Come on, baby. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. So 20 years ago, back in 2003, this was one of the fastest cars in the world. And fast forward to modern day, a vehicle that weighs 9,000 pounds is faster than a Murcielago. No! Come on, Lambo! No! My foot is to the floor! Let's go! Let's go! Let's see it! Go! Foot is to the floor! Come on, Mercy! No! No! Look at that thing squat down! Wow! Every car that we get here is just gonna get cooler and cooler. Hummer EV almost just hit me. Could you imagine, of all the days I get hit by a car, it's you in the Hummer EV on move-in day. I've been waiting for this for 10 years. You're laughing.
You know what's funny? I knew I didn't, but for a split second I thought I hit one of the cars. And then when I realized I might have almost hit you, I was relieved.
Okay, I was not expecting, wow.
I was like, okay, that's okay. You'll heal.
Honestly, that's the most amazing thing about humans. We self-heal. Well, slowly but surely we are making our way. So we lost the TRX, we gained the Hummer, we gained the Murcielago, so we're +1. We're +1.
We need a bench. You need seating.
This man, no matter what he's doing, he always needs a seat. This man needs to sit down. Don't worry, the next time you come to visit, we'll be moving again, but this time chairs and furniture, so you have a place to sit.
So I gotta move my own seat.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. We love you and we support you.
You got snacks?
No, there's actually no food in the house right now. We just had lunch. We literally just had lunch. Uber's gonna be here. Uber's gonna be here in 5 minutes. We'll get you a snack. And on time, every time. It doesn't get much easier than that. The main question is, how long will it take Burlacker to open the door to my warehouse? It's very, very specific technique. Okay, wow, this is still happening. We could be here all day. I have nothing else to say. I did set you up. Now remember, as our chief electrical engineer, it's positive, positive, negative, negative. I'm only saying this for one reason. I'm not going to tell the audience why. Positive, positive, negative, negative.
I messed up last.
Yeah, it was a slight mix-up, but the car's fine.
Is red negative?
Yes.
Okay.
Are we good?
It's a plus, right?
Yeah, that's a plus.
Okay.
We're good. Every time I jump start a car, it's always nerve-wracking because I'm not the smartest guy in the world. You're not going to be the bud killer if you don't turn on. Come on. We got some power. It says no key. I wonder if the key fob is dead. Maybe the key fob. Now, luckily, we have 2 keys. So, come on, GTR. Oh! Yes, let's go! Yes.
So after all that, it was the key fob, not the car?
I didn't know.
We're wasting valuable time here.
Where do you have to be?
Nowhere.
Exactly. We're gonna get snacked. This man, he asks for a chair, and a chair I shall deliver. We just have to figure out how to get into the Gladiator.
We're delivering to I'm not you, we.
Yeah, what he said. When I parked the Gladiator, I was very strategic. No, it'll make it. It'll make it. Won't it? No, it won't. Okay, you're just gonna have to hold. I'm sorry. Snacks are coming soon. As designed. As designed. Perfect. No biggie. That actually works seamless. If my calculations are correct. Yes, sir. Yes, they are correct. All right, I would have parked the 2 closer together if I could have, but this was, oh jeez. You good, bro? I was not expecting that. All right, calm down, Gladiator, we're good. Yeah, this is special, I'm sorry. One thing that is very important on the Nissan GTR, everything has to be warmed up. So as much as I want to blow Burlacker's doors off, okay, whoa. Wow. That was maybe 15% throttle. The bug killer, she wants to go, baby. She wants to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Goodness, that just cost me like $15 in gas, but it's well worth it. Seeing that thing in motion is like poetry. The 6x6 hella sword. That just cost me $19, but thank you. I mean, it's worth it. The Hellcat sounds so good. If the neighbors weren't confused, now they're really confused as my Barney Mobile arrives here to the house. Keep her coming, keep her coming. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, okay, whoa. We're good. We gotta hear that a little bit more. We have to. This garage is the ultimate echo chamber. So for the sanity of my neighbors, we're not gonna be revving the Nissan GTR. This is getting so sick. 5 in the garage, and we still have 3 more to go. Shout out to Mrs. Burlacker for letting me borrow her husband. We're very, very late. He's very, very late for a very important date, and instead he's moving cars with Dumb and Dumber, but never mind. Count on Nick to get us the Uber XL. Goodness, are you kidding me? We're balling out. The Uber must be so confused right now. I'm embarrassed, honestly.
I feel like
this is an absolute disaster.
I don't remember it being this bad.
Also, balling out with the Infinity. I love it, dude. Wow, we're getting a little bit of a full tour. This is insane. Oh, baby Countach. I forgot that was here. So do you just want to drive that over to my house right now and call it a day?
I tried to drive it to your house the other day, and it doesn't work anymore. Sorry.
Wow, 272 pounds. Also, look at all your shoes. That's good. Are you tired? Big stretch, Fupa. I know you wanted to help move, but honestly, you would have been in the way, bud. You would have been in the way, you cutie. I got it. Don't worry. I appreciate the help. I have to do about a 17-point maneuver to move this thing, and if you're wondering, why don't I just drive it? It's dead. It's a dead car. And let her rip, tater chip, go. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. 1 more down. I love the C8 Corvette so much. I am selling this car. The new C8 Z06 should be in the garage in maybe less than a month. We have the yellow Huracan Performante looking so prime. That color is so good. I don't know how well you guys can see this view in the backup camera, but is that not the craziest view ever? The garage is definitely coming together, but we're lacking some color right now. We have so much white in this garage and the walls are white. The Rapid Blue definitely adds a nice hue to the garage. So my Aventador Coupe and my Ferrari 458 Spider are both off at Lamborghini of Salt Lake. The Aventador is having that overheating issue. The 458 Spider needs new fuel pumps. Both cars should be back someday soon, and when I say soon, honestly, I have no idea. I just realized the color palette in the garage is completely unacceptable. We gotta move some cars. That right there definitely helps a million times better, but we're still missing some more pink. As luck would have it, we got a second pink car. Honestly, today is just one of those days you dream of as a little kid. I cannot stop smiling. Look at that. Okay, we gotta hustle up the stairs. The view from above is definitely gonna be a million times better. I'm trying to hold the camera as steady as I possibly can, but this moment is so surreal. Are you kidding me? Yo, dude, what? This is insane. This is why when everybody is telling you you can't or you shouldn't, absolutely you should and absolutely you can. Wow, okay, we do not want to fall right now. That would be a very bad moment. We finally reached this moment. We did not want to die. Goodness though, that is so sick. I knew this was going to be a special moment, but I didn't realize how special it was going to be. It was a culmination of quite the journey. I mean, a lot of you guys, the OG subscribers, you guys know, when I first early started out on YouTube, the term YouTuber didn't exist. And my family, my friends, I had so many doubters, so many haters that told me I was wasting my time. I had all the internet trolls telling me I'm going bald, my teeth are crooked, I have a lisp, I'm annoying, I'm never going to succeed at anything in my life. And there were so many ups and downs, there were so many low points where I wanted to quit, and I just kept going because of the passion for the cars, for the filming, and of course for you guys. You guys have supported me for so long. I know I said this earlier, I cannot thank you guys enough. I know there's like no way to properly convey that with real meaning because I'm talking to a camera, but genuinely, like, if I could thank each and every single one of you guys, I would. So thank you guys. I really wish my dad was here to see this. You know, I have a really cool photo. He stood on this property before construction started. I have a cool photo of him and I, but I definitely wish he was here. So, love you, Pops. Well, I'm really not entirely sure what else to say in today's video. This has been such a surreal journey, and I cannot thank you guys enough for all of your support. It is an absolutely perfect evening here in the beautiful state of Utah, and per usual, we always gotta line the cars up in the driveway. Aventador Roadster, Veyron looking so crazy. The neighborhood, I don't know what the neighbors are gonna think about me, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Home Sweet Home. And on that bombshell, today's video, yep, is over.